Why am I square rooting a negative number? What do you mean? When you squared already, right? It's positive, right? So there's no square root, right? Okay, thank you. Okay, so like when you see like you look at the amount of knowledge that you guys already have, right? Shear stress distribution, analysis with 2D mole circle, 3D mole circle, shear criteria. So this is 10 weeks of lecture applied into what? One. Okay. So I'm going to post about 4 questions on this with the answers. Now the answers will be very, very short, okay, because they have a lot of background knowledge, okay, but go through my notes to see what is actually going on, okay. That is more important than anything else, okay. Right, so I'm going to stop here. Your exam, I posted the date, okay. Let me see what's the date. Anyone know the date? Let's talk about your exam. So exam
24th
is on the 24th of April
at 4 p.m.
4 p.m. until what time? 6:30 p.m.
Yep.
Okay. Anyone have time issue, as in you're in another country and you can't do it? Okay, no. Fairuz, it's going to be very similar to the questions. The practice question is the way to practice this. Okay. Because it's online, I cannot give you questions from the assignments. I can't do that. If it's on site, I could do that. Okay, because if I post questions from the assignments, it devalues whether you understand or don't understand this topic. Okay, so I can't do that. So if you can solve your assignments, you can solve the questions in the exam. Okay, like how you guys prepare for term test 2, fantastic. Okay, term test 1 was difficult, is because of shearing stress. Okay, as I said, shearing stress is the one more complicated topic. Other than that, yes.
Eugene, did you guys, the TAs or yourself, look at our quiz 5s at all, or?
No, we just award everyone 10.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yep.
you see quiz 5 to quiz 8, everyone get a 10. Okay, because you guys did course evaluation. I'm grateful for that. Okay. Okay, if no one has any questions, I will. Can we have exam review? Okay, so exam review, I can't tell you when yet. No, not I can't tell you when. I'll tell you why I can't do it in the next few weeks, because I have PhD's exams to go through. So the only time that I have, okay, is probably the 21st. Okay. Now let me check my schedule first. Okay. Let me check my schedule first. Then I tell you, because the next 2 weeks I have to set exam questions. I have 2 PhDs that I'm evaluating to go through, and I have like 2 reports to write on how good our program is to accreditation to IQAP, an institute that see the quality of our lectures at McMaster for B10. Okay, for you guys. Okay, so I have a lot to do, but I'll let you guys know. Okay, I'll let you guys know that when is the revision. The final is the final is everything after term test 2, but you need to have knowledge on all this. Yes or no? You need to have knowledge. Okay, you need to have impression on all this. Okay. Can you recommend additional problem chapters from the text to study? So for this case, I'll look at the textbook. Okay, I'll look at the textbook. Hold on. So if we were to go back to the textbook, So you guys see the textbook. I'm looking, okay? I'm not sleeping or what. It's under chapter 8. Now you guys will not know how to do okay, so the questions type is very okay. I will post questions, okay? Then you will know better. So, but if you ask me what textbook to read, I'll tell you why. The problem is this. It's a combination of two chapters. Chapter 8, which you see now, okay, in terms of sharp only, okay. I did not teach you how to do this sort of calculation. Okay, I did not teach you how to do this sort of calculation. Sharp is chapter 8 and chapter is chapter 8 and chapter where is the most okay. Yeah, it's chapter 8 and chapter 7. Chapter 7 and 8. Okay. So it's like you will not know how to do this is because I did not teach you, or there's no time to teach you how to break down what is moment and how is forces. But if you have to read, okay, read shear criteria. So read chapter if you want to read, okay, read chapter 7.5. I'll write for you guys, okay. So 7.5, okay, 7.6, and 7.7. Okay, 7.7, just read Tresca. Okay. And if you look at problem set under combined loading, okay, is in chapter 8. Okay, it's in chapter 8. Wait. Yep, chapter 8. Okay. So I'll write this down. Okay, I'll write this down. So so extra reading, if you want to go extra reading. Chapter 7.5, 7.6, 7.7, and just focus on Tresca, and then chapter 8, shaft only. Okay. So the typical question I will give you, okay, is very similar to what you see down here. Okay, similar to. So I will give you the known axial load, the known torque, and the known moments. Okay, I will give you that. Okay, I because I don't have time to teach you how to find the especially the moment is easy. Torque on a gears transmission, no. Okay. Yep, 2 questions. Okay, you only get 2 questions. Okay, so 2 questions only. Okay, not 3 or whatever. Okay. Farouz, I will talk to you later, okay? But any other question so far? If no, there's a question asked by a student, okay, regarding homework 12, which I will do now. Now this is the end of the lecture, okay? If you have to go, you go. But I'm going to a student asked about homework 12. Okay, I'm going to address that homework. Okay. Let me address that homework question. If you have to stay, you stay, okay? But if you have to go, you go, okay? Okay, let's look at homework 12. I don't know what is it yet. I'm not Yeah, the solution. Yeah, whatever. Question number 5. This is a fantastic question, I think. So this question, by looking at the question, then the value of the exam are based on your best, worst, and average. Yep. Don't call it worst, Jenna. They are too direct. Okay, it's based on your best, your lowest, and the medium. Okay.
Oh, come on, we have to be realistic.
No, you have to be sensitive. In another class I used the worst. I got called by the associate dean, man. Come on. You have to be sensitive, Jenna. Come on.
Come on.
Okay. Oh no, I'll be in trouble. No, don't use the word worst. I was told that, I was told off by the faculty of engineering. Eugene, you cannot use the word worst. Okay. Okay. I say okay. Okay. So for the state of stress, okay, so determine the max. So this question is interesting. In what sense? It's trying to force you to think, okay, that think in the sense that at what stage you have to do 2D or 3D mole circle, number one. Another one is you have to know how to construct a 3D mole circle to determine the maximum shearing stress, which is what we have done. So basically the solution procedure is like this. Okay, it's like this. Or it's not like this. It is like this. Where is the mole circle I've drawn? Yeah, it is this. Okay, so you have to know, based on the stress rates given, is that the maximum, is that the biggest diameter. Okay, so that's why I picked this question. Yeah, you can say deliberately. That's why I picked this question deliberately. Okay, so let's do it. So we know that I'm going to call this point X, point Y, and point Z. Okay, I'm just going to use mole circle solution. Okay, I don't want to look at the what they do. I don't know what they do. Okay, I'm applying what my teacher teach me. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we know that stress X for A, stress X is equal to plus 5 KSI. I know by stress Y is equal to 10 KSI. I know the shear XY is equal to shear YX, and this is equal to minus 6 KSI. But whether plus or minus does not matter. And then for A, stress Z is equal to what? 4 plus 4. Okay, so now I'm going to draw mole circle now. Okay, so I need to so I don't need to look at the negative because they're all positive, right? So I'm going to go for minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I think I think I glanced at the solution. They use numeric, or they did not draw mole circle. Okay, I'm solving it based on what I teach you. Okay. So this is shear clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is 2. This might not be a good idea. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm under. This scale might not be good. Okay, I will change it to I'll do more. Okay, so probably I have to move